Hello everyone, this is the recording for Eclipse debugging. I'm going to show how debugging will work in a project called Roulette. There are a couple of bugs in this project. So we're going to put some breakpoints. First of all, you just need to put a breakpoint to wherever you want. Assume I want to put it here on line 31. I'll just double click on the left hand side. So you'll see this breakpoint. And later on, I'm going to run it using debug as Java application. So it's going to run through the application. It's going to stop where I have the breakpoint. So let me run the roulette and it's going to run. If we look at it, it will print some messages. Then it's going to play the roulette. Play the roulette will come all the way here and then it's going to stop right there. So it's going to ask for user input. I'm just going to say like even, this is my betting, and I hit enter and it takes me to the debugging screen. This is where it stops and this is where the line is showing. And now there are a couple of options I can try. I can just move the program one step at a time. I can use either step into, step over, or step return. The rest is not really used a lot. So if I want to go inside this method and want to look into the first line, I will just say, okay, step in. So it will take me to spin roulette and stop in the first line. So at this point, I just need to observe the variables. Okay, so now I'm not going to go into the regen methods or the println, so I'm just going to step over those methods. I just want to go to line 53, so I'm going to go over it. It will go to the next line. So let's look at the variables we have. These are not necessarily helpful. So now I'm going to go over to the next step. Again, I'm not going into this method. I'm not going to use step into. I'm just going to say step over and it takes me to the next line. So here, bet, I type in even, so the value of bet is even now. So if I say next, which is step over, it will go to the next line. So my outcome is 15. Let's see the printout. It says the ball is on 27. So it prints different. It's a different value than the outcome. So there's something wrong with the previous method. So I can keep on going through the program one at a time. I can just say step over. It will take me to the next line, which is this. And I can keep on doing it and see the results. I just need to look into my variables and see what is expected. So at this point, I can say maybe I should move into line 37 or 40. I make some assumptions and just double check what the program is doing together with the line numbers as well as the variable numbers. So if I want to stop debugging at this point and fix my problem in here, so there's a problem in the spin one, which is this. The outcome, the printout and the outcome is a different value. So if you look at it, I called regen 2 times. The one I'm returning and the one I'm printing is a different one. So I need to fix this one. If I want to go to my Java screen, let me close the debugging. It closes the application. Now I want to go back to this Java view and I can fix my problem. I can just say, no, I should just store this one like it's an integer, some value like the ball value. Let me grab this guy. And now I just need to type in the ball and return the ball. So I don't return two different things. So the first bug is fixed. And then I can change my breakpoint. I can remove it, and keep on debugging. So that's it.